What's up? This is Matt from Therex. Today I want to go over a basic exercise that we use with most of our clients. It's called a side plank. So side plank is quite simple. The main side plank that you're going to see is going to be here where we're in elongated positions, feet stacked on the side of each other. We like to put our hand on our hip. We're going to raise up into this nice straight fashion. Now I've kind of bent my head forward a little bit to look at the camera. Generally we would have the head all the way back like this as we're doing it. Now that's the standard side plank. So we call that level 2. Level 1 is going to be with the knees bent in this position or with the leg on top straight in this position. Level 3, we put one foot in front of the other and we push up like this, and this is where most of our athletes move to in their training. So those are the plank positions that we use, 1, 2, and 3 for the side plank. Now, a couple of notes. The number one mistake that we see is people who go into a plank and they're kind of bent forward. You want to make sure you push through your glutes and push your hips forward. Number 2, we see people that kind of curl over this way. What you're trying to do is get more onto the front. The abs feel a little bit stronger here rather than, again, pushing those hips through and being in that side position so our body is sideways to the floor instead of bent over towards it. Those are the keys to doing a good plank. Thanks.